about to drop the hammer and dispense some indiscriminate justice.
You know what really grinds my gears? Clowns. That's it. Just clowns. Anyway, welcome back to Strongman Personal Finance. I'm Christopher Bell, certified public accountant, long-term boglehead investor, author of the book Stop Being a Broke Loser. It's on Amazon for $3. If you're a broke loser, all you have to do is buy the book, and all your problems are magically solved. And hater of false prophets and AMC degenerates that think they're fighting this noble cause, when in reality, they're playing right into Wall Street's hands. Now today, we're going to talk about Trey's trades. He's a pretty big YouTuber. He has 382,000 subscribers, and he's in the military. And if I was his boss in the military, I would smoke him till his butt cheeks bled. Anyway, Trey's Trades is like the god emperor of the AMC ape movement. Now, the AMC apes, the whole purpose of their movement is to fight back against Wall Street manipulation and short sellers and people that aren't giving normal investors a fair shake. Well, guess what, ladies and gentlemen? Do you know how freaking late you are to the game if you're buying AMC to fight the fight? And do you realize there already is a way that you can fight Wall Street? It's been around for decades. It's called the index fund. It's called Vanguard. Okay? Now, in my humble opinion, I think this whole AMC movement is playing right into Wall Street's hands. Why do I think that? Number one, Wall Street wants you to trade. Why? Because Wall Street makes money whenever you buy and sell stocks. They're the middleman. So if you're here trading AMC or buying whatever you're doing with AMC, you're making Wall Street money. In this case, Robinhood, or whatever broker you're using. So, you mean to tell me you're fighting the man, you're going to take down the hedge funds, and you're going to, send a message to Wall Street, but you're just going to be in your little app trading, generating massive revenues for Robinhood, which is Wall Street, okay? Number two, you're not going to take down the hedge funds. You're not going to destroy the investment community for rich people. Hedge funds aren't going away because you're attacking a short seller. There may be one hedge fund that gets freaking hammered, but do you really think you're going to change the system? And on top of that, in my humble opinion, I think a lot of hedge funds are actually making a freaking killing off of exploiting you little clowns in the ape movement. Y'all think you're so smart. You don't think there's hedge funds coming in there and screwing around with that stock and making a killing? I think there are. So the whole premise of fighting the hedge funds and sticking it to the man and Wall Street, it's stupid. The actual way to screw over Wall Street, is to buy index funds, buy and hold, and never trade, and don't watch the news. Now, how can you do that? It's boring, right? Well, maybe it is boring, but if you want to actually fight Wall Street, if you want to starve all the fund managers of their ill-gotten gains and their high fees, then you should buy index funds. That's literally all you have to do to fight Wall Street. Index funds are designed for you to track the market. Therefore, you don't need to trade. If you're not trading, you're not generating revenue for Wall Street. You're just holding the market. Does that make sense? I hope it does, okay? Go to bogleheads.org, read about Jack Bogle and about the Boglehead philosophy, because this movement is not new. The index fund is what democratized investing, not this clownery. This is a freaking joke. This isn't going to do anything. This is going to enrich rich people, probably. And all you clowns are going to be left holding the bag with your little battle against Wall Street, your little ape army. It's sad, okay? The easiest way is just to buy an index fund and don't watch the financial news. That's it. So this Trey's Trades guy, I think he's a clown, okay? I mean, if you look at his videos, all he does is talk about AMC. He's a very short-sighted man, and, maybe he thinks that he's fighting the fight. He's a hero. He's the leader of the ape army, and he's going to take down Wall Street. It's a joke. This guy probably doesn't even know what an index fund is, okay? And he doesn't even understand why index funds are superior, probably. Just buy AMC. You're going to change the world. I mean, this guy's a disaster. Look at this. AMC, like, literally just AMC. What are you going to do, Trey, when AMC is no longer a hot topic? You're going to find the next meme stock to make a 20,000 videos about? Maybe. I don't know. Anyway, this guy's a clown. I wouldn't listen to him. I would go to bogleheads.org, read about index funds, max your tax advantage accounts, and you'll be fighting Wall Street a heck of a lot more than you would be by listening to this guy and trading AMC stock. This guy's a clown. Anyway, that's it. Like, subscribe, tell your friends about me. Buy VT in a tax advantage account. Well, I guess you could do that. I can't give you financial advice. And you have a wonderful, delicious, superstitious, cockalicious morning.